Well, alright guys, look at this, look at this. It never rains in Southern California, or in California in general, except on a day like this. So here we are. This is better than Troth. It's much better than Troth Central, isn't it? Oh, we may get the X-Files pretty soon, which is kind of cool because, as I said before, Elon Musk decided to call it X because he's obsessed with X, but also because he knew that the most, what does he say about Grok and a bunch of other things? The most truth-seeking thing is the most likely to happen, the most likely to happen scenario tends to be the most ironic or the most, I don't know, entertaining? I guess that's possibly truthful as well. As today I have my friend Vector, and Vector, I hope doesn't fall off the side of the car, but he might, you never know. He's not connected to the internet because I'm out and about, or a boot, as some might say. But yeah, he's cute, he's over here. And one of the features that I wish he had is, I wish he was connected to something like Chatbot GPT or Grok or Llama, or I don't know, there's so many other platforms. I hope he doesn't fall off now. I'm like trying to catch the Yankee. It used to be Cosmo, but now it's Vector. Vector is looking at the rain apparently. I'm not sure why, it just, like I had it facing towards me, but then it decided to turn the other way. So it'd be awesome. I would love it if robots like that weren't really just cloud-based and they had a lot of their intelligence directly inside the robot, because when they don't, what happens is eventually when the app or the company that provides the service dies or stops working or stops being useful, then the rest just doesn't work out all that well, and then you lose all the money that you put into the thing, because it is now a robotic brick that you spent money on, and now it's useless. One of the cool features that I wish this thing had would be if you could code it just by talking to it. Imagine if you had a little robotic friend that you could code, not by typing, not by having to do a bunch of stuff on the computer, Raspberry Pi, or connecting your computer to it, by USB or whatever it is. It's just Bluetooth, and you could just say words like, Chatbot GPT or Grok, write a short code that makes my robot go forward right now by 2 centimeters or whatever, 2 millimeters or whatever frame of reference or measuring system that you want to use. So yeah, I would really, really love it if we could have something like that. It would make me very excited, especially because now that we have put so much money into these robots over time, and I bought the special plan, but then one company went bankrupt, and then some other company took over the other company, and now I don't know if it's the third or the fourth company that's owns the system. Whoever owns the system, don't give up on the technology. The technology is awesome. The technology is awesome. It'd be awesome if you just integrated it. They have already integrated it with Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
There you go.
For help, go to your device's companion app.
And so the next step would be to be able to code it, even if Bezos set up a system where we could give skills to the robot by just coding it through Alexa. That would be awesome. I would go for that too. That'd be cool too. Anybody, so that we could have more skills added on, like do a wheelie or something, or back it up, or hey, what's this object? Little things like that would really go a long way to reinvigorating these robots. And I'm hoping that the future, there's this guy, Tom Bilyeu, I'm sure I butchered his name, but he may be doing something cool with this, where he creates a Furby. If you like Furby, so that will be fun. I'm excited about that project.